And we're back.
Streets of guns inside the hands of all your birds, and tyranny is often found within your words. Do you want me? Do you want me here at all? I'm bound to notice when your back's against the wall. You stutter in your sleep, you're laughing while you weep. Will make us all regret who we can do. You wallow in the mud and revel in your blood. You're bringing down the worldwide standard. Worldwide standard. You're bringing down the worldwide standard. You call yourself a freak. I know it all looks bleak, but you surround me with the passion of the pure. You really can't decide. You multiply the lies, you haven't moved it on. You haven't moved it on. You haven't moved it on. She's always shining, cause it's always night, and you're always dancing, the song's so right. Well, do you want me? Do you want me here at all? It seems to me you've got your back against the wall, and it all goes back to that moment when you looked her in the eyes, and it keeps on showing the same thing, but you don't apologize. We know that she's your home now, and you're caught inside her snare, with a noose knotted around your neck, and your hands up in her hair. Do you want me? Do you want me here at all? I'm bound to notice when your back's against the wall. Do you want me? Do you want me here at all? I'm bound to notice when your back's against the wall. You call yourself a freak. I know it all looks bleak, but you surround me with the passion of the pure. You really can't decide. You multiply the odds, you haven't moved it on. You haven't moved it on.